Earnings this evening, ICICI Bank has seen its asset quality worsen in the first quarter. Non-performing assets have risen 16% sequentially. What's even worse is that the company's slippages have crossed 8,000 crore rupees. This is much higher than the expectation. Profit growth is slightly above estimates. Latha, Venkatesh is here with a wrap of the numbers. Latha, slippages are the biggest dampener.
Yeah, to be fair, the profit growth has come in largely in line with expectations. It is down about 25%. It was expected to be lower, and the net interest income has come in flat. That also is on expected lines. If you look at the gross NPA number, it doesn't look very bad. 5.82 has become 5.97. Likewise, if you looked at the aggregate number, 26,200 crore has become 27,200 crore. That's about a 3.5%, 4% increase. Not bad. But the gross NPA is a adjusted number. The fresh loans that was created, as you said, bad loans that was created is 8,249. What is worrisome is last quarter, which was a bad quarter, they created fresh bad loans of 7,000 crore. So you can't have the satisfaction that the bad news is ebbing. The bad news is actually increasing. As well, this 8,249 doesn't include 2,332 crore, which was sold to asset reconstruction companies. Of course, at a loss of only 500 crore. But even then, if that had not been, then the book has decayed to the extent of 10,000 crore. And then, of course, there is a bit of a watch list. The positives now, the watch list has slightly declined to 38,000 crore. They've been able to do recovery of about 800 crore. As well, there is growth. About 12% overall growth in advances, 17% growth only in domestic advances. And within that, the retail book, which is usually more secure, is growing at 22%. So growth will answer some of the problems, and the management sounded confident that there is also resolution of some of the tough NPAs. That's the positive, but I think the markets will show a negative reaction first because of the higher than expected slippages. And that also was Chanda Kocher's explanation when she spoke at the press conference.
The total slippages during the quarter were 8,249 crores. Out of this, 1,321 crores came from the restructured accounts. And the balance, NPAs that were added in the corporate and SME portfolio, almost 77% of those really came from the watch list. Especially the slippages that happened from out of the watch list, we are expecting almost 30% of that to be upgraded during the current year itself.